Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today let's do a quick comparison between the Vivo Y95 smartphone and the OPPO F9 smartphone. So the special thing about the Vivo Y95 is that it comes with a Snapdragon 439 processor, whereas the OPPO F9 comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 processor. Design wise, both the phone look same, so now let us check out what's the difference in their features and the specification. Here is the Vivo Y95 smartphone. You can see it looks pretty cool. It has a dual tone finish. We have a purplish color to the bottom and bluish color to the top. And here we have the Vivo branding, the fingerprint scanner, dual camera and a LED flash. To the sides we have the volume rockers and the power button. To the front we have the Hello View display. To the bottom we have the micro USB slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack and the speaker grill. To the sides you have the SIM ejector tray. And you can see it is pretty quick. The fingerprint scanner on the back is very quick. I just press my hand, it just opens very quickly. Also, the face unlock on this phone works pretty well. So here is the phone itself. Now let me show you some of the features. We have a CPU-Z app. So here is the CPU-Z app. You can see here the CPU-Z app. Let it load up. So here you can see that it's written that Snapdragon 435, although it comes with Snapdragon 439 chipset. Then in the device you can see we have the 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, Android 8.1.2 out of the box. Then the battery is of 4030 mAh. Then we have your thermal sensor, and then we have all the additional required sensors. So now let us check out the OPPO F9. So guys, here is the OPPO F9. You can see it has a diamond cut finish, which also looks pretty cool. And we have the fingerprint scanner, dual camera setup, volume rockers, and all the other things. So you can see this one also is pretty good, and it also has the Hello View display. So going to CPU-Z app, you can see that it comes with the Helio P60 processor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, Android 8.1.2, then battery of 3500 mAh. Then we have your thermal sensors and other lot of sensors. You can see we have other required sensors in that. So this was a quick walkthrough of both of the phones. If you want to read the review of both of the phones, links to the same in the description. If you want to purchase any of that, you can do it via online. The links will be in the description. So guys, both of the phone looks pretty good and performs almost the same too. So guys, this was a quick video. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, it's a trendy blog. I'll be coming up with more cool videos like this. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.